Good afternoon. In news just coming in, the Modi government has appointed the 1989 batch IPS officer Parag Jain as the new RAW chief. His appointment comes post Operation Sindoor. And to tell more about this, I have with me Pranav.
Yes, Himanshu. In fact, I was just reading about him. He's often described in the intelligence circles as super sleuth. That is because he has experience in two specific areas of intelligence gathering. One is called HUMINT, which is human intelligence, and second is TechInt, that is technical intelligence. So these two important, experiences is something. These are very critical in his appointment. What do we know about his background, Himanshu?
Also, Pranav, he was part of the Aviation Research Center of RAW, a unit that actually gathers information on the ground and then relays it over to the team. That intelligence gathering was critical in Operation Sindoor because they exactly located all the terror camps and how many people. The data was as reliable or as to the point as like how many people were there in those camps, who visited those camps when, probably what time of the at what time of the day or the night probably there would be maximum impact, and also such kind of intelligence. Also, Parag Jain was critical in the anti-Khalistani terrorist operations. He was also posted in Canada. He has also served in Punjab. He was also SSP Chandigarh. So I think he comes with a stellar record of intelligence gathering from the ground, and that I think is a critical move by the government, which actually wants a man of in complete control of operations on the ground to be in charge or to be as their chief. So that I think is the reason behind Parag Jain's appointment.
Yes, so he's slated to take over on Monday when the incumbent chief ends his tenure, hangs his boots. So we will be tracking the developments further on this story.